Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Today I'm going to talk with one of my students, and the student you can see here, and he has been learning English with me for some days. So I'm going to interview him right now. Actually, I'll be asking him some questions about himself, about his interest. So let's begin. So first of all, I would like to ask you a question. Actually, I want to know your name. What's your name?
Mm, Thank you. My name is MD Mominul Islam. My parents give me this name, and it is very meaningful. It
Oh, I
meaning
understand. So I should call you
believer.
Muminul, right? Okay,
Please
Mr.
call me
Muminul.
Mominul.
Okay, Mr. Muminul, where are you from?
I from Jamalpur district.
You are from Jamalpur, I understand. How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
20? 20.
Years old.
Okay,
20
I
years.
understand.
20 years.
22 years old, I understand. So you have been learning English, so far I know. So where are you learning English?
Uh, I learn English at IELTSpedia. It is located at Banakura Moor in Jamalpur, Pasasta.
Okay, what do you do?
I am a teacher.
And what subject do you teach?
I subject Islamic studies.
Your subject is Islamic studies, right?
Islamic studies. Yeah,
Yeah.
right.
Where do you teach? Where do you teach?
I teach at Sixty Central School and College, Jamalpur.
It is in Jamalpur, I know. So do you read newspapers?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Why do you read newspapers? Why?
I read newspaper to increase my knowledge.
Oh, great. Yes, newspaper is a great source of learning. If you read newspapers regularly, then your vocabulary, your sentence structures will be increased. And of course, you will be able to learn about many things. You will have a lot of information about the issues, global issues, national issues. It's a great to hear that you read newspapers regularly. What's
Yes.
your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English because it is an international language.
Do you use English when you are at your school? Do you talk, do you speak English with your students?
Uh, my talking is something
Oh,
English.
you talk. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.
Welcome.